Today I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss and a take profit in MetaTrader 5. So if you're opening a position on MetaTrader, you want to go ahead and set your stop loss and your take profit. And essentially a stop loss will allow you to create some sort of managed risk. So let's say you open a position and you'll see this top position over here, the sell position. This currently is in a loss. So let's say I set my stop loss to close this position at a certain loss. This means that if it gets to that point, it's going to close the position and the position will be closed in a loss. Essentially, what's going to happen is you're managing how much risk you're taking. On the opposite side, we have the take profit. So you'll set this bar where you would like to close your position in a positive position. So this will be like in blue, a positive number. And this also just helps when that price goes up to a certain point and then drops back down. You can close the position when it reaches a certain point. So once you've opened a position, you're going to tap on the plus icon on the top right hand side and you'll see your SL and your TP. This is where you set it. So currently, what I like to do is first open a position. So I'm going to open a buy position just out of interest's sake here. So we've got our buy position. You can hold down on that buy position. You can come down and then you can say modify position. Here you can now set your stop loss. So at the top it says buy 0.01. It says your pair and at 4763.30. Now my stop loss I would like to set at a certain amount, so I want to manage this risk. So I'm going to set it at 4743.30, and here you can set your take profit to set at 4783.30. That's 200 pips aside. Generally, you should really set your ratio to 1 to 3, so your loss at 1 and your profit, your take profit number at 3. So if you do make a loss, you're only burning 1/3 of what it would take to make your profit back again. So once you're done, you can say modify. This will now be set. You'll see over here, it now has a stop loss and a take profit. And once any one of those have reached, your position will then close.